show you, ganun.
Ay! I love it.
Wow! Yay! Pogi-pogi! Oh! Wow! Pogi! Oh. 1, 2, 3.
BTS. Ang aming photogs. Inarkila pa yan. Oh my gosh. You have that line. What happened? 2 flavors. Did you have fun?
Yes!
Yes, mommy. Ay, naka-zoom pala to.
Tito daw, tito. Tito, okay.
Hi guys. Where are we going?
Hello sa tito.
Going to Kabsat.
Tabalog na.
Alright, because I like the way you look. So init, guys.
You forgot my fan.
Kala ko yung...
Happy Father's Day!
Ang gandang vlog na mamaya.
Yay! Parang matik naman, parang everyone na nagpupunta dito kailangan maglakad. May ganong post. Oo nga, oo. Kaya look at the fish, oh. So big.
Negative 2.
Bababa.
How do you know? Alin ang negative?
Ipababa dito.
Oo, doon pala yun?
Yeah.
Why negative 2?
Try mo lang. Or negative 1.
Happy?
Yeah.
Now, the mushroom soup. Yung kutsara dinosaur.
Nakatingin.
Subukan ko si Kyle ng rice.
Akala ko sasabihin na subuan kita. What?
Pwede naman. Yeah, the rice or little chicken lobby.
Bah.
Ganyan ba? Or
Na. Wow. Looks good. Looks good. Dagutom.
gusto mo na nag-bubble juice pa yan?
Bigay lang kami na ako na. Wala.
Naiden Mandas photo. You want to eat this salad with rice?
Sweet nyo naman, guys.